It's been a busy past few days for one of India's billionaires. Gautam Adani has lost his spot as the world's third richest man. He's not even in the top 10 now. In fact, his companies have lost more than $100 billion in market value, and their wealth is continuing to fall. So how did it get here? Well, it all began when the US investment firm Hindenburg Research made startling allegations of fraud against the Adani Group. The Adani Group called that report malicious and denied all these allegations. But that has certainly not calmed investors, and Adani's shares have continued to tank. In fact, the market has been so volatile that Gautam Adani said his company would be returning $2.5 billion it recently raised, mainly from big institutional investors. Experts are saying this is a huge blow because apart from getting additional funds, the share sale would have shown that investors still had some faith, some confidence in the Adani Group. But that was not to happen. So, Gautam Adani has now released a video in which he has reassured all his investors that his companies were healthy and that they had a steady inflow of money.
The interest of my investor is paramount and everything is secondary.
Now, the firm operates in all different sectors, including infrastructure, ports, you have airports, and even insurance. And it has had no problem borrowing money to finance some of their big-ticket projects in the past. And many Indian banks, as well as state-run companies, have either invested or lent billions of dollars to the Adani Group in the recent past. So according to reports now, these banks are trying to figure out how much they are at risk, because if the situation goes from bad to worse, it will be problematic for them. There are two views on how this could go down now. Some experts feel that this is just a temporary setback and Mr. Adani will certainly come out of it, while others think that he may find it a bit difficult to raise more money in the future and win back investor confidence. Now, in that sense, the story is very much alive, and the next few weeks are going to be critical for the Adani Group. The Adani story is also quite political. Opposition parties have raised the issue in Parliament and they have demanded an official probe into all the allegations that we've seen come out against the Adani Group ever since that report came out. They say that Mr. Adani's perceived closeness to Prime Minister Narendra Modi has helped his businesses, but it's an allegation that both the tycoon as well as the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party have always denied. So it's quite likely that the Adani story will continue to be as much about politics as it is about business.